Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm going to be unboxing and then demoing this PD 20-watt single-port USB charger by Syncwire. They make excellent chargers and charging wires and connectors and cables and things like that. Now this PD 20-watt single USB charger is capable of obviously 20 watts of output, which will give you fast charging. It also has a smart chip to give multi-protection for all devices, and it has a built-in safety mechanism so you don't have to worry about something getting overcharged or too much power. And it's very small and lightweight, which is great. Let's open it up and pull it out and see what we got. That's pretty much it right there. Tiny, tiny like that. So tiny, won't take up hardly any space. USB Type-C, and because it is a 20-watt PD, it's going to put out a lot of power. Again, it is by Syncwire, and give your device the fastest charging that you can get. So let's jump over and demo this guy in action. So I've got the PD charger plugged in, and you can see it has that cool, really soft light around it. It's kind of nice. It's very subtle, which is kind of cool. And I'm going to plug this USB port into it, and you may be surprised to see what I have it plugged into. I have it plugged into a MacBook Pro, and you can see the MacBook Pro is charging. Focus there. You can see it is charging. So with that PD 20 watt power, 20 watts of power, you are able to charge even a MacBook with that Type-C to Type-C. So that's one cool use of it. Now I have my Samsung Galaxy Ultra plugged into the PD charger, and you can see I'm getting fast charging, and that is coming from that PD charger. So plugging that into a phone that supports fast charging, you will get, because it's 20 watts, you will get fast charging to your phone. And finally, I want to show you that you can also fast charge your iPhone. You can see the phone is charging, and again, because it's 20 watts, you're going to get the fastest possible charge on your iPhone, and that's all coming from this really awesome Syncwire PD 20 watt Type-C charger. Really excellent product. Works great, does what it says it will do, and is everything you'd want to look for in a PD charger, Type-C charger. Really excellent product by Syncwire.